Hey entrepreneurs, hope everyone is having an excellent week. You know, it's really crazy to think how close we are to wrapping up 2021, as many of us are starting to prepare to kick off the new year right in 2022. So how ready are you? Hi, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team, and in this weekly update, I'll share some content ideas you can repurpose in preparation for the new year, updates related to the blog, and a special Builderall member spotlight segment featuring Mike Gates, all in today's Builderall's weekly update. So let's jump right in. One way to provide value is to provide content that speaks to your niche audience. So if it's content you're looking for to grow your social media, your member groups, video channels, blogs, you have access to so many resources that we provide right here, like our Builderall knowledge base. That's right, this resource alone can help you provide content that can build your following across all of your social media. Let's take featuring a tool from our knowledge base. If we go to the Builderall tools and select builders from the dropdown, here you'll see a list of builders, all available if you have the Builderall Funnel Club. Now, if we select Cheetah Website Builder, you'll hit a gold mine of content you can repurpose and make your own. Voting system. We have a voting system. Another great resource you can include is the Builderall blog. Here you can find weekly updates put together by Terry Stevenson, as well as content-rich articles written by our Mag 5, Jackie, Jean, and Terry. Again, you can repurpose these resources and even add a spin and flair to make it your own. We also have content-rich resources inside our Facebook and niche marketing training groups, social media, our YouTube channel, which holds your weekly updates, training videos, and Tuesday night trainings, and more. Wait a minute. Did you catch this past Tuesday night's training? Jackie blew the minds off of many as she trained us on how to use the Builderall app builder to build your very own app, just in time for the holidays. Thank you so much, Jackie. Content is even inside our weekly member and affiliate meetings. Meetings you can find and replay inside our affiliate and member Facebook groups. So join us as they kick off every Monday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Now you still have time to start creating your content before the new year, a move that will be beneficial with our upcoming New Year's Builderall's promotion. So what is it? Will there be an affiliate funnel? Will there be resources available? Stay tuned and follow us across social media, our blogs, Facebook groups, and our YouTube channel for some exciting information coming real soon. Now, if you haven't checked out our Builderall blog for this week, please check it out to learn more about our December affiliate and member meeting holiday schedules. And in case you missed it, here's an update on our Builderall niche marketing training groups. Local business will now be headed up by Terry Stevenson, while Jackie DeClerc will be taking the lead in info and physical products training. And Jean will continue to deliver great quality content inside network marketing. Again, Builderall members get access to live training 3 times a day, Monday through Thursday, from our niche marketing experts. On top of that, these same experts deliver a fun-filled Friday, filled with each niche expert leading a Q&A session to get you the answers you seek that hopefully contribute to a better good night's sleep. Now let's jump in to a few software and affiliate updates. First, if you're going to deliver your e-course, remember, you now have an added theme called Modern that can really help deliver a more congruent look and feel to your brand. For the best results, be sure to always use the image recommendations when creating and uploading your content. Next, we have an update to our Magic Funnel Wizard. All new Builderall funnels have been added to the menu of options for the Magic Funnel feature. To take a quick look, hop over to the affiliate dashboard. From the menu options over on the left, select the link generator drop-down option. Here, you'll see Magic Funnel. Inside the pop-up window, you can make all of your selections, but to choose your plan to promote, simply go to Choose a Plan. Then select your plan from the drop-down menu. With the link that's created, your leads will register and create accounts for the plan that you chose. Now here's a quick affiliate update for you. Inside your affiliate dashboard, when using your leads filter, the error reporting all leads inactive and free has been fixed and is now only bringing in the inactive leads. Now, onto our Builderall member spotlight. From the beautiful eastern plains of the Rocky Mountains, we have another great community member who's building his business with Builderall. I had a chance to chat with Mike Gates, who currently lives in Fort Collins, Colorado. Listen as Mike shares how long he's been using Builderall and how he first got started.
I've been a Builderall user since 2017. So I got started, I think I came in their first JV Zoo promotion. And the thing that that caught my eye was that it was a drag and drop site builder with hosting plus an autoresponder for my email marketing. And I had never seen a tool before that had both of those incorporated into one tool, and the price was just unbelievable. So I became a member back then, and then followed the Facebook groups and got to know the heart of Eric Salgado and his dream of having an entrepreneur in every home, and that really resonated with me. And so I decided this was going to be my home.
What Mike said there is not only a lifetime dream for Builderall, but it has always been and will always be Builderall's vision to being the platform behind having an entrepreneur in every home. Mike is also a Builderall certified partner who has also launched a few products inside the Builderall marketplace. One of those is the WordPress Link Rotator hit tracking plugin, where you can also promote it as an affiliate. When asked where the idea came from to create this product, here's what he had to say.
So I was looking for a way to rotate different links. I was trying out different affiliate programs, and I wanted to compare the conversions on them. And at that point in time, the only rotators I could find were paid services where you paid a monthly fee.
Yeah.
And I also I bought one of those, and somebody decided they wanted to go and just send out a bunch of spam links, and it shut down that rotator service. So I lost all my links. I had links out there that were pointing to nowhere. So I decided I wanted to create my own rotator, and I wanted a sequential rotator that rotated things in order. So I built that originally off in just straight PHP programming language. But that became a nightmare to support because of all the different hostings and versions and of the programming language and this servers and everything. So turned it into a WordPress plugin to make it easier to maintain.
Yeah.
And it's been pretty popular. You can also use it as a link tracker, so you can use it to count hits to different sites.
Mike Gates is another great example of how he used Builderall to start and promote his products inside the Builderall marketplace. When asked what's in store for 2022, Mike says he's looking forward to learning more and more about our Builderall Messenger and website chatbot tools he feels are untapped and could be the start of another cool endeavor that will be great for him and his business. So if you want to stay tapped into Mike, please follow him on his social media. We'll share the links inside our upcoming blog. And if you have a story on how you're building your business with Builderall and would like to share it, hit me up on Facebook Messenger. And that's my time. I hope everyone has a great rest of the week. Have a safe upcoming weekend, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one.